Hi, my name's Sonia Rubillo, and I'm an occupational therapist at Triton Support Services. Today, I'm going to be going over the benefits of using sensory tools in your everyday routine. Some sensory tool examples would be sensory bags, sensory bottles, also handmade stress balls, fidgets that you can put on your pencils, and also just modifying the environment. So putting a TheraBand around the bottom of a chair so the student's able to utilize that for their lower body sensory input. Sensory bags and sensory bottles are really fun to make. You can just use recycled items from home, so old water bottles or glass bottles, Ziploc bags, and that would involve using any type of vegetable oil or canola oil, fun food dyes, and then whatever objects you have available. So small beads, glitter, and you can modify it depending on the time of the year. So right now it's fall. It would be cute to do some little fall leaves and just super fun colors. But it's great to have the students get creative with it. So you might want to leave it up to interpretation as well. Having the child be able to utilize a sensory tool throughout instruction is very beneficial because it gives them the tactile input that they need. So being able to touch something squishy or being able to move a bottle and watch the item swirl, that gives them enough sensory input, ideally, to help them better adjust to their environment. So regulating the sensory system really helps with focus because they can now focus on the activity at hand rather than meeting their own needs. This might also help reduce anxiety in students. Students who typically experience anxiety might be seen nail biting, picking at their nails, and maybe chewing on an eraser. This gives them that outlet to be able to fidget with something else, and that's more socially appropriate. And the great thing about making these sensory tools at home is that it becomes a very fun and engaging activity to do with your child, especially since it helps promote fine motor skills and executive functioning skills if they're given specific directions on how to complete the task. The first approach to making DIY sensory tools is making an inventory of the materials you have at home, and also sending your children on a little scavenger hunt to find some of those items. A great example would be the sensory bag, which I will be doing a tutorial on how to create those fall-themed sensory bags on our social media pages for Triton Support Services. I would love to have you join me for my first DIY sensory tool workshop, which will include a fall-themed sensory bag. This quick craft is a great way to start improving self-regulation skills at home. Stay tuned on our Triton Support Services social media pages for the upcoming video. I look forward to working with you and your family.